Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 14th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have CPI inflation data for the US today. Really was very underwhelming compared to most CPI data releases. Did cause the pound to go up a little bit, and now it's starting to go back down. The fact that this right here is a lower high, I would say that with pretty good confidence that this is a wave A. I think this is likely 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave B, and I think we're probably likely already in a wave C. I think it's probably going to go down for a while, maybe to the 50 or the 61.8, but whichever level it decides to bounce from and break structure, that's the level I would stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again for the continuation of the uptrend. I'm more of a swing trader, so I'm waiting for the long anyways, but if you are a short time frame trader, possibly you could get some shorting opportunities on shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.